A colossal cluster of sunspots, known as AR 4294 to 4296, is currently looking at the Earth. This phenomenon, of a size comparable to that triggered by the historic Carrington event of 1859, became visible on November 28 on the face of the Sun facing our planet. Before continuing, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and give like if you are interested in space and astronomy. Your support is very important to continue creating quality content. Experts have warned that AR 4294-4296 could generate intense solar flares of type X, the highest degree in the scale of flares. These flares could launch coronal mass ejections, CME, that upon reaching the Earth's magnetosphere can trigger powerful geomagnetic storms. Although there are no official warnings about the possibility of such an extreme event as the Carrington, the mere existence of this cluster and its orientation towards us is cause for attention. It is crucial to follow this phenomenon closely. The Carrington event, which took place between 1st and 2nd September 1859, was the most intense geomagnetic storm recorded. A gigantic coronal mass ejection impacted the Earth in just 17 hours, causing boreal auroras in unusual places. At that time, telegraphic lines became useless, producing sparks and even fires. This episode made it clear that sunspots can trigger events that seriously alter the Earth's magnetic field. The new sunspot complex is comparable in size to that of the Carrington event. This gives rise to concern, especially because we live in a world where we depend on technology and power grids. A severe solar impact could cause chaos in our modern civilization. From the fall of satellites to prolonged blackouts, a Carrington 2.0 could lead us to a life without connectivity and basic services. The Sun is in its solar peak phase, which implies an increase in solar activity. Recently, we have seen numerous flares and geomagnetic storms that confirm that we are in a phase of high cosmic turbulence. Even if AR 4294-2496 does not trigger a severe storm today, its validity recalls the importance of following the space climate. We must be prepared and attentive to any warning. In case of power outages or interference, it is essential to have flashlights, charged batteries, and stored water. It is also important to have offline maps and emergency plans to navigate without GPS.